Fuck off.
You little rascal. See, people don't believe that I don't swear. But I don't, do I?
Fuck off, fucker. Fuck off.
Pardon? You need to face this way, darling. Look over this way. That's better.
Fuck off. Ow. Come on.
Oh, don't pester her again. This is her time for a nap.
No.
No, no. Hmm?
Shut up. Swat. Come baby. Come on.
Where do you want to go then?
Fuck off. Swat. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off.
There are stories
Fuck.
about what we might call
Stop it. Keep burping, belching.
No.
No, no, darling. God bless you.
some slaves
Shut up.
to what they often
Janet.
Why do you want Janet?
stories about lies
Oh, Janet, please.
Hmm?
slaves that they were going to be candlelight.
What?
Twat.
In a sense, that made them understandable.
Shut up. Fuck off.
Oh, you're terrible. Why are you so potty-mouthed tonight then? Have I upset you today? Oh, you've gone out of shot now. I've got to move the camera. Well, don't move. Where are you going? Okay.
Suicide, and with that in mind, of course, most slaves
Fuck off.
create a netting around the ship to prevent slaves from jumping overboard.
Twat.
You love to swear, eh?
Come on.
I think suicide
Give us
was
massage.
slaves.
Janet.
Give you a massage?
There were reports.
Where'd you get that from?
Some groups of slaves, notably those from
Twat.
Oh, don't be horrible to me, please. You don't know how you hurt my feelings.
Come on. Come on. Twat.
What?
Janet.
Why do you want Janet all of a sudden?
Get off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Out.
Hey,
Fuck off. Out. Shut up. Fuck up.
you're not funny, really. I don't know what we're going to do about you.
What's your next?
Why do you want Janet?
Come on.
Well, she's in Australia, isn't she?
Janet.
She's in Australia.
Come on. Pick up.
You might think now that the Africans were in a strange environment, thousands of miles,
Come on.
finally accept their lot, working as slaves in the plantation. But the spirit of freedom could not be
Please, Shetty.
troubled by the disorientation of the middle class
Fuck up.
and the brutality of the European
Shut
environment.
What?
Janet.
Yes, I got the Janet bit.
Pick up. Pick up. Fuck up.
You're mad. You are totally crackers. It's not clever to belch. Well, so you should be.
Janet. Come on. Pick up. Pick up.
Stop saying that.
And she still continued to exist.
Oh, fine.
People were dealt with.
That's right.
Whipped
Hmm?
Come on.
to sort of 300 lives.
That's not true.
Why don't you say a nice nursery rhyme?
Come here, Bob. Come here, Bob.
Leave her alone. No, don't call her.
That's you.
I
Twat.
mean, I think such a slave woman, I've been like a lot. Seeing them carrying on
Oh, dear.
it's
Oh.
with children to resist slavery.
Fuck off.
I mean,
Hey, come on. Try and keep it clean.
Women with priestesses
Right, sausage.
and with powerful priestesses.
All right, sausage.
Right, nice. Fuck off. Shut up.
You can't do it for a minute, can you? No, I don't want to do a wee.
Given the white man's attempts to hide all traces of Africans from their property, painted with names and land, it's amazing that
I don't know why that makes me laugh, but it does.
Oh
dear.
Is recognizable in the Nigerian Yoruba, and cultural survival was itself a form of resistance.
You got the giggles again.
Women managed peaceful coexistence with their elders.
Oh, hey, I'm not fat.
When times were hard, the general atmosphere
Do you want a sherry?
routine violence
Did you say sherry, dear?
had no incentive to work other than
No, no, darling.
punishment if they didn't. But violence bred resentment.
All right, baby.
The vicious cycle was repeated. On the vast